where I stayed the most, and we got to know each other. A few months later, she took me to live with her and eventually adopted me. Honestly, if it weren't for her, I don't know how I would have managed to move forward. Years went by and I did my best to move on. I worked hard, studied, and saved enough money to buy my own house with my own business. I couldn't have done it without my adoptive mother for sure, as she financed my education and helped me pay to start my business. Now that things were going well for me, I also bought a house for her so she could get out of renting. However, when my biological family found out that I had bought a house, and a house for my adoptive mother, apparently because the guy who sold me the house was a friend of my family, everything got worse again.
If you want to watch the part 2, click on share and more.